popsicle.
Should Joe have a popsicle?
No.
Why not?
Because he said
Yes!
No.
Joe!
Joe said a bad word to me.
He did?
Yes. He doesn't. He does. He doesn't get a popsicle now. You're bad about my tooth. You're so mean.
Joe's mean? Is Joe mean, Lucy?
Yes.
Why?
Because he said a bad word to me. He spoke about tooth. Not a bad word. Don't hit that.
Why did he say that, though?
Because I don't know.
What did you do?
I didn't say anything. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I
Do
didn't.
you want a popsicle? Did you say a bad word?
Yes. No, I didn't.
Who said a bad word?
You did. Joe did. No, you did.
What?
You
What?
did.
Joe? They're
You
both.
did.
They're both saying you did.
You did. Oh, no.
Did you do it? Stop doing that. What did he say, Grace?
A bad word.
Oh, Joe. They're saying it was you. Stop covering the camera. Don't do that. Lucy, do you deserve a popsicle?
Yeah. No. I get a popsicle.
Who doesn't get a popsicle?
He doesn't.
Why not?